Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to hide browser notifications on Google Chrome, ensuring a more focused and uninterrupted browsing experience. Let's dive right in. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once it's open, you're ready for the next step. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This is often referred to as the More menu. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Once in the Settings menu, look for Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Click on it to access more options related to your privacy settings. Now we need to adjust the notification settings. Scroll down and find Site Settings. Click on this option, and it will lead you to a list of permissions for different site features. In the Site Settings menu, locate and click on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the sites that are allowed or blocked from sending notifications. To disable notifications entirely, look for the option that says Sites can ask to send notifications. You'll want to toggle this setting off by selecting Don't allow sites to send notifications. This will effectively stop any new notifications from popping up while you browse. Finally, if you wish to manage specific sites that may still be sending notifications, you can do so in this same section. You can remove any sites from the allowed list or add new ones to block as needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily hide browser notifications on Google Chrome and enjoy a distraction-free browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.